Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, Microsoft, I guess, seemed to have thought that it was better to push the update. A few of you have mentioned that the video I made yesterday about the update from the Microsoft Update Catalog webpage came to your PC through Windows Update by itself. And indeed, I was looking at something today, and when I went to my Windows Update page, it in the update history, it installed yesterday. It says say here the January 26th, KB5078127. So that means that this update technically was pushed by Microsoft. So last week they didn't push the first one. But also we learned that the push to the fix broke more things. So that is why they pushed this new fix. And I guess they thought it was important to push it to everybody. So this is still not the update preview. As you know, there will be a preview update this week. It's still not there for Windows 11. This update just says update. So, of course, this moves your build number to 26200.7628 on 25H2, and it's 26100.7628 on 24H2. And, of course, this week we should have the bug fixing updates, which are not mandatory for now. They will be pushed with Windows Update Patch Tuesday of February if you don't do anything. So it seems Microsoft didn't take any chances and they decided, okay, let's make sure that everybody gets this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.